When can child support be modified after a divorce? Imagine your life changing suddenly and wondering if your child support payments can be adjusted. That's a common question for many parents after a divorce. Child support can be changed when there is a big shift in circumstances that makes the current order unfair or unreasonable. For example, if one parent loses a job or gets a big raise, that can be a reason to ask for a modification. Changes in the child's needs also matter. If the child develops health issues or needs more education or medical care, the support amount might need to be adjusted. If medical expenses go up or down significantly, that can be a reason to ask for a change. If health insurance coverage for the child changes, like if it becomes more expensive or less available, that can also be a reason to modify support. Similarly, if child care costs increase because a parent's work schedule changes, that can be a valid reason to ask for more support. When either parent begins receiving public assistance, like welfare or food stamps, that can impact child support orders. Also, if the child becomes legally independent or reaches the age of emancipation, support obligations usually end. Sometimes, if there is fraud or misrepresentation about finances, a parent can request a review and possible change. To request a modification, parents can agree on a new support amount and submit it to the court for approval. Or, one parent can file a formal motion with the court. If both agree, a judge must approve the new arrangement to make sure it's fair for the child. Courts usually do not allow retroactive changes, meaning past unpaid support still needs to be paid. But if the order was recently changed, some jurisdictions may only modify the medical support part without changing the total amount. It's important to notify the court or child support agency as soon as a big change happens. This helps ensure the support amount stays fair and appropriate. In most cases, showing a significant change in circumstances, since the last order is needed to get a modification approved. This keeps the support aligned with the child's needs and each parent's financial situation. Talking to a family law attorney can help you understand the process and make sure your request is handled correctly. Remember, the goal is to keep support fair and ensure the child's needs are met as circumstances change.